How to open a market in Kalshi. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open a market in Kalshi. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to kalshi.com in any of the browser, and then you're going to click on ideas over here at the top left. So once you do click on ideas, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to switch ideas to market builder. Click on it, and then here you're going to type in your market title. For example, I have typed in tea versus coffee. Then you got to click on next, and then you got to type in what settlement source. For example, as you can see, I have typed in tea is better than coffee, and then you can type in any closing date you want. For example, I'll make it let's say 28th of December 2026. And then you're going to simply hit over, click on post, and then they will review your market builder post. And basically you need to review your account before creating any sort of market, and once done they will review it and then they will post your market. So that is basically how you can create a market on Kalshi. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.